Solo, this parole so na private party. And our apartment they want to one. This babe so they get money. So look, go tell me you go do them well.
What do you mean by that?
If you do those babes well, they will even give us all that connect. Go tell me go deliver your poly units. And don't forget my 30%. I know they use and play. Must you deliver. Don't update me.
What's going on here?
Can you imagine?
Now you be solo.
Mommy na me.
Sweet boy. You're welcome.
Guys, we see what your mouth cannot talk.
What do you that?
Yeah!
Wetin dey worry this one? Who be this one?
Solo baby.
You think it's a joke?
Mommy, slow.
You my eyes on you.
Yuri, you no tell me say na old women now won't come meet.
Baba, follow up now. Follow up. Everything na for the money.
What do you mean by that?
Grandma.
Who be your grandma? Ha! Call us sweet 16.
Okay, sweet 16. Now private party be this. I've been a grand opening.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Ashewo, awusha, ashewo, awusha. Customer. Take it easy. Oh, come on now. The chubby one, please. The chubby one.
Now wow.
Customer, good day.
How are you?
I did fine, madam.
I'm actually running late for a meeting.
Okay.
So I don't know if it will be convenient for you to meet me up in my hotel later.
What do you mean by that?
Madam, I will fit join you now. I just one call away. I'm only one call away.
Ashewo. Your guy don't turn to musician.
But I go enjoy me, not be lie.
Well, that's not the problem, and I'm going to pay you very well.
You didn't want.
Okay, let me have your phone so I can give you my number. All right, no problem.
Mommy, slow.
Oh, did not rob me. What's happened? That customer just he thief my phone. He can't run. Welcome to the street.
I never expected it.